How to disable and turn off YouTube Shorts. Are you tired of seeing YouTube Shorts flooding your home feed? Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't provide an option to permanently disable Shorts within the app. But don't worry, there's a way to remove them from your feed. In this video, I'll show you how to disable and turn off Shorts so they stop appearing while you browse. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube and access settings. 1. Open the YouTube app. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. 3. Select Settings from the menu. Step 2. Adjust playback in feeds. 4. Tap on General Settings. 5. Find playback in feeds and tap on it. 6. Select Off to prevent Shorts from auto-playing in your feed. Step 2. Remove Shorts from recommendations. 1. Return to the YouTube homepage. 2. Tap on the Shorts tab if visible, or locate any Shorts content on your feed. 3. On a Shorts video, tap the three-dot menu, vertical ellipsis. 4. Select Not Interested or similar option. You may need to repeat this step for each Shorts video you see over time. This signals to YouTube that you don't want to see Shorts, reducing their frequency. Step 3. Refresh your feed. 1. Close the YouTube app completely. 2. Reopen the app. 3. Check your home feed. Shorts should now be removed or at least appear far less frequently. That's it. By following these steps, you can disable and turn off YouTube Shorts on your device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.